Welcome to Braylen AV. Today we're looking at how to become wealthy. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. You are considered a millionaire if you have a net worth of $1 million, which is no longer as unusual as it previously was. All are either self-made or born into it, and the majority of those who gained wealth did so by adhering to fundamental paths. Millionaires originate from a wide range of backgrounds. Understanding how they did it could inspire you to choose a different course for yourself. Regardless of the industry, the majority of millionaires have a few characteristics. Number 1. Take ownership of your life. Your current situation in life, good or bad, is all your fault. Don't go through life aimlessly if you want to have a wealthy and successful life. Taking full responsibility is the key to living your dreams. You should take control and lead in the direction you want to go. Things will improve overall when you start achieving goals and taking better care of yourself. Number 2. Think you can. Millionaires have an optimistic outlook and are visionaries. Those who are affluent have lofty aspirations and are confident they will happen. Wealthy people are usually confident. They feel as though they merit prosperity. If you struggle in this area, we recommend reading books and quotes about positive thinking on a daily basis. Do this until you know how amazing you are, and that with hard work in the system, you can accomplish anything. Number 3. Alter your perspective on money. How you approach your finances is greatly influenced by the way you think. Your financial attitude determines how you view money and affects how much you save, spend, and handle debt. You must begin with comprehending your financial philosophy, and the reasons why it has so far been a hindrance to you. If your attitude towards money is negative, or you consistently think outcomes are unachievable, what do you think the likelihood of you achieving are? Changing your money attitude is the first step you need to do if you want to enhance your life and manage your money better. A certain amount of work has to be done. Number 4. Think big. Thinking big while having a millionaire attitude is the key to transforming your wealth. It's the path from mediocre outcomes to huge fortunes. To become a millionaire, you must first develop the mindset, emotions, and behaviors of the wealthy. Thinking big and developing a financial vision for yourself is the first step to becoming financially successful. Number 5. Make money. If you don't have income, then there is no money to save. Earned income and passive income are the two main methods of earning money. Earned money is earned from your job, whereas passive income comes from investments. Number 6. Pay yourself first. Automatically save 10% of your earnings to begin with. Put 10% of your income in direct deposit into a retirement savings account each week. Gradually increase that number as time goes on. Number 7. Save, save, save. If you spend all of the money you earn, you won't be able to develop wealth. Set up an automatic transfer of a specific amount into an investing account. Doing this will allow your money to accumulate interest over time. Investing and saving are the simplest ways to amass wealth. Number 8. Emergency fund. To address any unforeseen financial problems, you should have some money saved up before you begin investing. It's frequently advised to accumulate enough funds to pay for expenses for at least 3 to 6 months. Number 9. Spending less than you make. One of the most crucial financial principles is spending less than you make. Wealthy fundamentals are: make money, spend less than you make, and invest. It's very simple. Number 10. Create a budget. It is important to know how much money you have coming in. You should be aware of monthly expenses, and what you are spending money on. By knowing this information, you can create a budget that will help keep track of your finances. A budget is a plan for allocating resources over a specific period of time. This helps people make financial decisions by setting goals for certain areas, like saving or spending. A good budget will allow you to spend your money responsibly, and stay within your means. Number 11. Have a plan. A plan is a series of actions that need to be taken in order to achieve the desired outcome. A good plan takes into account all the possible obstacles and ensures that there are processes in place for how to deal with them. Think about your income and investment journey, define both short and long-term goals. The goal might be as simple as saving for retirement or as complex as accumulating enough wealth to retire in comfort. In order to accomplish a goal, you need to know what it is and how much time you have to achieve it. The next step is deciding what kind of investment plan will work best. Number 12. Delayed gratification. This is the practice of delaying what we desire now in order to acquire something greater and better later on. As with anything, this is a muscle that can be developed through practice over time. Number 13. Generate passive income. The majority of millionaires get money from several different sources. Creating passive income streams is rarely passive. Its appeal is unmatched by many other surefire ways to financial independence. Making passive income can support your objectives, and provide you more time to focus on things that are important to you. Number 14. Maximize your earnings. It practically goes without saying that you must increase your income if you want to become wealthy. There are many options available these days. Take up a side gig, and/or look through your network list. Number 15. Become the best. Increased income from a higher paying position. Utilize this justification to boost your investing contributions. Become the best at what you do. Don't settle for greatness, strive to be excellent. Rich people excel at what they do. Number 16. Eat healthy. Your health is impacted by how your financial portfolio is performing. Those with more money have better insurance, and can pay for higher out-of-pocket medical costs. Wealthy individuals not only have the means to purchase higher quality food, but they also frequently have superior education, and are more aware of the health advantages of fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as the drawbacks of diets heavy in sugar, salt, and fat. Number 17. Exercise. It's essential to engage in physical activity if you want to live a longer, healthier life. To purchase running shoes or a gym membership, you need extra cash. Those with higher incomes are more likely than those with lower incomes to exercise. Number 18. Focus on high-value activities. As a business owner, success depends on your capacity to pay attention. Overworking the minor details might keep you from accomplishing your objectives, and eventually harm your bottom line. When we devote our time and attention to tasks that are outside of our areas of expertise and may be outsourced, we squander precious resources and mental capacity on endeavors that do not progress our goals. Number 19. Financial literacy. Making informed financial decisions is crucial to living a fulfilling life. Being wealthy necessitates learning financial counselors' lingo. The ability to sustain yourself in the future will be significantly impacted by your understanding of wealth. Although it is a challenging skill to master, knowing it may greatly reduce life's difficulties once you do. Number 20. Build leverage by hiring people. Hire a group of intelligent, devoted people you can teach to help you accomplish your entrepreneurial goals. This is also one of the quickest ways to wealth. Number 21. Money management. Plan your long-term investments and wealth. Create a detailed management strategy to attain your long-term financial goals and objectives. Establish how much risk you can handle as you think through your financial strategy to meet your objectives. Consider your level of comfort with the ups and downs of the bond and stock markets before making an investment. Number 22. Learn how to sell. Selling is a talent that takes practice to become proficient at. It's all about persuading people to buy a concept rather than a physical good. Selling involves promoting the worth of something without ever mentioning its cost. If the market is large enough and you have a few key abilities, you can make billions selling. Number 23. A website for your business. Your small business might gain from having a website for a variety of reasons. Also, less consumers are able to locate and purchase your product without a website. Number 24. Create rich habits. Those who become millionaires do it without the aid of a sizable inheritance. Wealthy people start from nothing and gradually grow their fortune by first becoming proficient in fundamental abilities. No matter your financial circumstances, you may benefit from following the habits of the wealthy. Number 25. Love what you do. Loving what you do for a living has a lot of benefits. Successful people usually start off working longer hours, and spending the majority of their time improving things. You'll be happier and more successful when you love what you are doing. Number 26. Be results-oriented. Always keep the achievement of the desired outcomes in mind. Focus on current duties and activities. Give a brief description of the objectives of each associated task and activity. Then put up the required time and effort to attain them. Your mind should revolve around what's necessary to achieving results. Number 27. Success visualizations. Successful people have utilized visualization techniques to picture the results they want. Some high achievers even claim that the technique has given them superhuman abilities that have allowed them to build the lives of their dreams. By completing one job at a time while remaining hyper-focused and self-assured. The everyday practice of seeing your dreams come true will significantly speed up the accomplishment of your aspirations and financial goals. Number 28. Have mentorship. A mentor is a seasoned expert who offers informal guidance. The mentee's needs should always come first, and the mentor should adjust their approach accordingly. Find a seasoned mentor in your network or sector whose management and leadership principles you admire. Number 29. Build your character. When strengthening character to develop in anything, you must first recognize your weaknesses. Look for materials that might aid in your practice and learning. If you have trouble maintaining discipline, create goals and take the proper steps to practice and achieve them. Number 30. Don't procrastinate. Every choice we make has an impact. Creating routines around specific aspects of your life will help you avoid procrastination. Having a to-do list the night before helps reduce the amount of decisions you need to make the following day. This will increase your effectiveness and save you from wasting energy. As a gift for sticking with us, here's a bonus tip. Number 31. Work hard. One of the most crucial things in life is hard work because it gives us the confidence we need. You can accomplish all of your objectives and realize all of your aspirations if you put in the necessary effort. Working assiduously and with all of your might always helps advance in life and overcome limits. Thank you for watching. We hope you received value. Next, we have 2 more videos to share on this important millionaire topic.